Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, one, the only one. Back in the video, yes sir, today, man. Hope everybody having a blessed day today, you know what I'm saying? So, if y'all don't follow me on social media or keep up, you know what I'm saying, I created a post yesterday, you know what I'm saying? I got my Retro 3s, Reimagine joints, you know what I'm saying? Got my size, personal size. I said I was gonna find and get and do it on feet for y'all. I know it was a little long, it was about a week, you know what I'm saying? But we got them, you know what I'm saying? And these, I ain't gonna lie, this is definitely top 5 shoe of the year, in my personal opinion. Comment down below, man, let me know if y'all still looking for pairs. You got a pair from sneakers, hit on Foot Locker, your boy know down below. Did sell out. I got this pair, my personal size 11.5 for $280. Shout out to my bro, Kick Sensi. If you're from Cincinnati area, here goes his page right here. He responds super quick. He was super cool, you know what I'm saying? Met me up the same day. You know what I'm saying? Dude was real cool. We locked in for sure. So if you're in the Cincinnati area, go and shop with him for sure, man. I don't want to sit you, man, for sure. Show love to him, man. But it's gonna be super long because like I said, I did a previous video. Here go right here. You know what I'm saying? I just had an in-hand review. I didn't have it on foot because I didn't have my personal size. But now I get my personal size. You know what I'm saying? I get it on feet look, you know what I'm saying, how it looks and stuff like that. But also, what I want to bring, it'll be another video, won't be this video right here. How to style the Retro 3 Reimagine. So be on the lookout for the video. It will be coming this weekend. It might come tonight. It might come tomorrow. So be on standby, be ready. Make sure post notification bell is on. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. But without further ado, man, let's go get to the video, man. Oh, I got my babies. I got my babies right here, man. I don't know why, but this shoe, I'm really excited because it's just something about this shoe, bro. Just like, it goes with a lot of stuff, and I just can't wait for my next video. How to dress these. I'm gonna do like, I think 3 outfits. How to dress these up, man, and y'all gonna like them for sure. Cause like I said, I do be putting them on. I do be putting my clothes on, man. I just don't show people, but I think it's about time for me to show just that different side of me this year and moving forward. You know what I'm saying? Just to unlock something different. You know what I'm saying? Bring to the channel. Yeah, shoe reviews might be cool, this and that and the other. But I know, like, normally people would love to see how would you dress it or how would you style the shoe. I'm gonna get off topic of that. We got these Retro 3s, man, Reimagine joints, man. Here go the box right here. It's more of an OG, like a stress thing like they did with the Lost and Founds. It's like more of a stress OG type thing going on. Like a vintage type look, you know what I'm saying? So here it go, 11.5. Also got the Nike Air. Also got the red Jumpman logo right here. So it says Air Jordan 3 Retro Summit White, Fire Red Black, size 11.5. The retail price on these, like I said, was $225. I think it was $225, $210. I forgot which one it was. But like I said, I got these for $280. Definitely a great deal. Can't beat that because I think this shoe over time will be $350, $400 shoe. Got Nike Air on the back. 35th anniversary, designed by Tinker. Come on now. I could go more and more on and on, but let's go get these bad boys out, man. Hey, here they go, man. The Air Jordan 3 Reimagine joints, man.
Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching.
Look at these bad boys right here. Woo! With that Summit White hints of that, with that black and that red. Oh my God. I'm gonna then throw these on for the B-Day, man. B-Day on Monday, by the way, man. I'm gonna be 24. That's crazy. I'm getting old, so now I'm still young though. But these right here, easily my top 5 shoe of the year right here. Easily top 5 shoe of the year right here, man. Easily, man. So get the shoe out. This video, they have this inside of the shoe with the insole and midsole, everything that's made from the shoe. Got the upper, everything on here. It has the detail and everything on here. The Jumpman, red Jumpman logo with size of the elephant print right here as well. So this is always gonna be the inside of the shoe. Here these bad boys go, man. So knowing my Retro 3s, I will lace them like this. Just something simple, nothing like, I like to lace my 3s like that. I don't like them loose or anything like that, so I just lace them just like this. So also, if you need a tutorial on any retros, like Retro 3s, 2s, anything like that, comment down below, man, let me know. Let's go ahead and talk about the shoe, man. It's a red Nike on the outsole here. Got your Summit White midsole with your Nike Air bubble here. Also on the side panel, you got your elephant print And right on elephant print around the toe box as well. On the back of the heel tab, you got your Nike Air embroidered on the back. Love that detail as well. Here on the tongue, you got your red Jumpman logo. You got your Nike Air little tab here. I'm not gonna keep it on my shoe. I guess I'm put it on my key fob or just keep it put in my shoe box. And on the inside here, you got your Nike Air on the inside of the shoe with your red sock liner as well. It's tumble leather here, and it's that soft leather right there, boy. Look at that. Ooh, bounce right back up. Soft, butter, and soft, man. And also got a little hints of red around the laces as well. Got a little hints of red around the laces as well. So this shoe, like I said, overall 10 out of 10 for sure. Definitely love this shoe. Definitely top 5 of the year already, in my opinion. We got a lot of shoes coming out, but I'm already putting this in the top 5 easily. I know we in March, but this shoe is definitely up there. I want to make this video super long. Let's go a little quick little detail. Like I said, I did a video before, but this is on feet. So make sure to like and subscribe if you're new. Let's go get this on feet going, man. Let's get it.
Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth.
Yes, sir. I'm back from my own feet. I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, this shoe is fire, bro. It's just something about this shoe. It just catch my eye with the hints of the summit white with hints of red. And this shoe go with a lot of things, bro. Like I said, I can't wait for y'all to see just how I style this up. Hopefully y'all like it, you know what I'm saying? But also, can't forget. Size running retro 3s. Some people go true to size in these joints, you know what I'm saying? But I have a narrow foot. So to my wide footers out there, I would prefer you to go a half size up to my wide footers. But since I have a narrow foot and skinny foot like me, I could go true to size, which is 11.5, which is just perfect. But I don't know if I go a size 12, it's gonna flop off for sure. I just know it because, like I said, 11.5 and not flopping off. It fit me just right on my foot. But to my wide footers, I just know that 11.5, or like I said, if you wear 11.5, I prefer you go get a 12. Trust me and believe me, because this retro 3 is not a narrow shoe, but it kind of is. It's just in the middle of it. So that's why I always tell people my wide footers go half size up, and my narrow footers go true to size, man. So like I said, I got these from Kicks Cincy. Shout out to my bro. Much love to you, bro. We locked in, man. Appreciate you looking out for me on these kicks, man. Definitely was looking for these for about a week, and you came through for sure, man. So I appreciate you, bro. That's it for this video, man. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing love, support as always, man. Like I said, got the retro 3s reimagined, so be on the lookout for this weekend, or tonight, maybe tomorrow, on a hot style, the retro 3s, man. So make sure you follow me on all platforms down below, my TikTok, my Instagram, all that good stuff, man. Y'all hope y'all have a blessed day today, you know what I'm saying? Catch you on another video, man. Gerald1 is out. Peace.